Hello friends, welcome back to the channel and today yes we will start with something new and that is again Arduino. If you want to know something different like regarding diode or the transistor or the capacitor, op-amp, anything you can ask. Okay, so what here we will do is I'll show you some tricks. If I select Arduino over here, there are number of options selected over here. So if I select blink, I'll get the code for blink. If I select fade, I'll get the code of fade. So what's the difference in that? Okay, it is a very simple. As you can see here, here the LED is connected to the pin number 13 again, pin number 9 again, because the pin number 9 is again a analog pin. Okay, and to that pin we are giving some input. So what's the code? You can see here, like I have selected pin 9 as a output, and what I'm doing here is I already define a brightness variable which I'm increasing by 5 and passing that value to the pin number 9 and using function analog write. So what here happen is my for loop will increase to till 255 and then it stops, and again in the next for loop my brightness will decrease from 255 to 0 by 5 every time, and that I'll read on pin number 9. If I simulate this code, you can easily see that. You can see the difference in LED blink. If I change some delay over here, like if I change the delay to from 30 to 300, you can see the LED will stop for some time. And okay, so what I'll do here is I'll keep the delay as it is. Okay, and I add some delay here after the code, so you can see my function will turn off the LED, will wait for 300 millisecond and then again turn it on. You can see that. Okay, it's fully turned on, wait for 300 millisecond and off. Got it? This is how LED is work as a fade. We will see next video what exactly the button will work over here for analog and digital. Stay tuned for new videos, and if you have any doubt you can ask me. Thank you.